Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Saturday, it's weekend. Yes, Saturday, October the 9th. Yes, it's October the 9th. Look in this newspaper, Saturday, October the 9th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. This one. And of course, a regular quintuplet. This is a quintuplet. I've told you I've stopped solving these kind of Sudokus. It take me longer than an hour to solve. So quintuplet and a regular medium Sudoku. But in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. Saturday, October the 9th. We have here in the newspaper the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. Those puzzles are not interested. So a total of 6 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will do today, and tomorrow the rest of the puzzles. So first I will solve this medium Sudoku, and this will be number, let me focus this one. This will be number 3512. 3512. 3512. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me zoom this. Yes, alright. Let me scan the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 ones. 2 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. 2 fours. 3 fives. 4 sixes, 1, 2, 3, 5 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, 1 9. Okay, the 6s and the 1s. How about the 1 in the last column? The 1 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column. 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Let me start with the 6 then. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. There 6, no 6 here. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 here. There 6, no 6 here. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. We see here 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then. Let me see. I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Then I can now I can continue with the 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, column, 3 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here, 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 9 is missing. Let me mark those 7 and 9. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, 2 is missing. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. And the 9 is missing. Yeah. 249. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Okay. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a double 9 here in this row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 9, we have a pair. So 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 8 and the 9. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs now. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. 8, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. Well, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 7. So this box can't be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. So now we have a 4 and a 9 are left. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 9 in this column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be an 8. That box should be a 9. Okay. Alright. 1 box left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. And the final number of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. Finish in 15 minutes. Yes, and I like this one. What a train. The train is running. Yes, you can stop. You can stop the train. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, don't leave a like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the tectonic, for the binary, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, for the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.